Oh my. It's recording. Heavy snow here in Grand Rapids, Kent County. Intense winds, 40 plus mile per hour wind gusts, blizzard conditions. We've had heavy snow now for about 2 hours, probably 3 inches of accumulation. Heavy snow, just after 5 o'clock Eastern time. Winds gusting to 40 miles an hour. There's even been power outages in spots. Heavy snow, Grand Rapids. December 23rd, 2007. Winds gusting to 40 miles an hour. Textbook southwesterly flow lake effect event. Is there anybody behind me? No. Near blizzard condition, Kent County. Alright, get ready to go. Southwest Lower Michigan. Which way are you going? You gonna take a left? This is great footage. Let me know when the light turns. There is no light. Oh, okay. Bring your left blinker on. The time is 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Just east of Grand Rapids. A very heavy snow band's about to move in with 40 dBz. We're hoping for some thunder snow. Central Time. Probably about 2 inches an hour. Really heavy. Probably 4 inches.
Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good picnic. Down.
Go walk out there, Chris. For those giraffes.